Hello, everyone. It's Mr. Sexton, and I wanted to say hi and check in and really want to thank all of you students who've been reaching out to say that you could use a little help with how to use our online textbook. So I'm going to give it a whirl, and it might be a new way to try. I'm going to share my screen here. And up at the top, what I'd like to have you do is go to Think Central. So it's going to be www.thinkcentral.com. And then hit return. I think on your iPads, you might need to open the link in Safari. Once you see this screen, we're going to go to Science and Health. You can also go to Science Fusion. Now, when you get to this screen, I've already typed this in once and I clicked Remember My School. But what you'll want to do is make sure that the country is United States, and I think that's pre-filled in for you. You'll need to toggle to Minnesota. And maybe the most confusing thing is that even though you're going to school in Apple Valley, it's really our district is Rosemont, Apple Valley, Eagan, District 196. Then you'll be able to find Falcon. And then if you do this little thing here, Remember My School, hopefully you won't have to go back in and do all of that again. Your username and everyone's username is the same. It is FRMS 8. So our school in lowercase and then 8 for 8th grade. Our password, everybody's password is the same. It is student, STUDENT, all lowercase. Then click login. When you get to this screen, you can go to My Library. And now here's kind of a tricky thing. We're currently in the space science book. Remember that it's really like we have 4 small books throughout the year. And they also have the books in Spanish for those of you who are emerging Spanish speakers or you're a native Spanish speaker. I'm going to find the module that says English, Module G, Space Science, and click on that. Couple different ways to go here. If you know which unit we're in, you could use the buttons over here. We're currently in the Unit 3, the Earth, Moon, Sun system. But I like to go into this bubble here that says Student Edition. And I'm going to click on Student Edition. And now it's going to bring me to the Space Science book. Up at the top of the Space Science book, I'm going to click, so above this Science Fusion, and I should have an opportunity to go to whatever page. Now for today's assignment, I asked you to read pages 140 to 149. I'm going to see if I can just jump straight to it, and I'm going to type in 140, then hit return. And there it is. Here is your online space science textbook. So here's the first page. If you want to go ahead, you can go page by page this way by clicking on the arrows. Another thing you can do is have the book read to you. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you go on the page and click on this, it should read the text aloud to you.
Spinning in circles. Active reading. 5. Identify. As you read, underline the places on Earth's surface at which the ends of Earth's axis would be.
All right, you get the idea. So I'm going to end it there. I hope this was helpful, and I'm going to post this in an update. And for those of you who are emailing or if you have friends, please just see if this works out. I'm sorry this took a little bit longer, but it turns out we are going to use this again and again. Take care.